Hey guys, it's Monday, May the 15th. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Hopefully everybody's going to be able to make some money this week. Going to start out with the pound dollar on the 1 hour buy mode. Right there it has been pulled back a little bit, not much, but still pretty low risk trade. You should be able to have half your profit off if that's what you do. That's what I do, but you're welcome to do a third, fourth, ever how comfortable that makes you feel, and then you just manage the rest of it. But it's in 1 hour is a buy mode, 4 hour let's see what that looks like. Oh, the duck must have fell off the treadmill. Slow. Let's go to this. There we go. Sell mode, but there's the retracement. Now it could only go back up into here before it turns around and sells off again. This could be just a retracement on the 1 hour. So that's why you protect your profit. I take 60 to 80 pips depending on where the daily pivots are and how it's run up, and then I manage the rest of it. I try to move the stop to break even on my second half. That way I've got money no matter what, and hopefully I'm going to have more money. That's on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar, same thing as the pound dollar, buy mode. You got a couple of chances right there for a low risk trade on the 1 hour, and it's trying to push up. .4 hour, same thing as the pound dollar. It's in sell mode, so it could be just a short-term retracement on that 1 hour before it sells off again. Looking for it to come back up into this candle right here, somewhere in there, which is probably going to be right in here before it sells off. On the odd dollar, the 4 hour, probably going to show the same thing. A sell, yep, sell, retracement. So it looks the same as the pound. So you don't want to be in both of them trades. You want to be in one of them. Euro CAD, kind of going back and forth. Looks like we come back down into there. The 4 hour looks like. It's not made a buy or a sell yet, but it's getting close. Hasn't made a buy or a sell yet. So EuroCAD, nothing to do. CAD yen. There was a buy down to here. Man, those poke downs right there and those three candles is about all you got. It would have been better if it could have come down into here, but it did work. It has run up. If you got in this trade from last week, I believe that was Friday morning, then you should have your profit target already taken off, and you've moved your stop up. So now you're just hoping that it's going to continue going up, where you make more money on the CAD yen. The 4 hour, it's still in a sell mode. There's your sell. Came back up, gave you another opportunity to sell, and now it's pushed back up again. So I'd be careful if you're in the CAD yen 1 hour. Protect your profit. Odd yen, made a buy right here. You had a good poke downs several into here. Even if you miss that, there's another poke down to get in. Low risk trade. You should have half your money taken off, or I mean whatever you're comfortable with, taking that off, and then you're protecting your profit from the rest that you got left. The odd yen 4 hour sell mode. That looks just like the CAD yen, doesn't it? Looks exactly like it. So again, if you're in the 1 hour buy, protect your profit. Protect your profit. That's the name of the game. Pound odd 1 hour has been in a sell mode. Just tried to push back up, but hadn't really moved. Sell mode in 1 hour. We'll see if the 4 hour. There's no buy there yet, so it's still said. So those agree for a sell, even though there could be a little bit of push up on the 1 hour. It could come back up into here and give us an opportunity to sell somewhere in there, so be careful on that. That's on the pound odd. Pound CAD. Made a buy from Friday as well. Just really didn't go nowhere though. Made a spike up, spike up, spike up 3 times right there. Made a spike up. There's your opportunities to get in. If you didn't, been tough to get in on that one. Could have got in on that one, but the risk is not as great. This one, a little bit better of a price on the pound CAD. 1 hour. The 4 hour still in sell mode. There's no buy yet. You see it's kind of going sideways, so there's going to be a breakout somewhere, one way or another. On the pound CAD. Pound yen, there's the buy from Friday. You had several opportunities to get in. You should have your profit. Some taken off, and you've moved your stop up quite a bit. Should have it moved up quite a bit on the 1 hour. Is this up toward resistance? See what the 4 hour looks like. It's doing the sell, same thing. There could be a push up into here for a sell on the pound yen, so it could continue up a little bit more. And then look for a low risk sell. And that's on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand 4 hour. There's a buy mode, still in buy mode. Just trying to push up. There was the buy mode there. Now that's in sell mode. Really didn't get an opportunity. There was no pullback. So it'd be great if it could come back down into here to give us a buy opportunity on the Euro New Zealand. Go back to 4 hour. Yeah, a pull back into here would really be awesome for a low risk buy on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, there was your buy. Really great pullback right there. You had several opportunities to get in. Should have took profit already. It's on a 1 hour sell. Now we'll look at the 4 hour, and it's still in buy mode on the 4 hour and New Zealand. So just make sure you protect your profit, anybody that's in those. New Zealand yen, you had a chance to get in right there, or you had a chance to get in right there. All 3 of those poked down, kind of a low risk trade. You should have your profit taking, and you've moved your stop, and now you're just hoping it's going to push up. See what the 4 hour looks like. It's in sell mode, but it could be a push up back up into here, which would give us a sell, low risk sell. So if you're in the buy on the Aussie yen, then just be careful. Just make sure your profit's protected. I mean the New Zealand yen, sorry. And then last but not least, the Euro yen. Buy mode again from Friday. Really didn't have an opportunity. Those aren't great. Those are kind of high risk, these pullbacks. So, not got into a sell yet on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is in sale, but there was the buy on the euro yen. So we'd like to see a pullback down into here before it went long. But because the way this sold off, there is the possibility it's coming back up to here before it sells off, and that's on the 4 hour. So be careful if you're in a long euro yen. Protect your profit. Alright guys, well let me see. Oh yeah, I got the euro Australian dollar. It's in sell mode. There was your opportunities to get in right there. Low risk trade. You took half of your, well, again, that's what I do. I take half. And then I protected the rest of the half, and I just continue moving my stop down, so I'm going to have money no matter what. Euro odd 4 hour is in buy mode. So the sell might only come down to here on the euro odd before there's a buy opportunity. So you could push them down into here before there's a low risk trade on the euro odd. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope everybody has a good rest of the day and the evening, and I plan on having a video for you tomorrow.